Here we go with problem 7. What are we trying to find? We're trying to find the portfolio's beta. What is the portfolio's beta? Perfect. An investor has a 2-stock portfolio, 50,000 invested in Palmer Manufacturing and 50,000 invested in Nichols Corporation. Palmer has a beta of 1.2, Nichols has a beta of 1. What is the portfolio's beta? So off rip, we already know this stock and this stock total $100,000 in the whole portfolio. Half of it, which is 50,000, is invested in Palmer. The other half invested in Nichols. So here's how we're gonna solve this problem. Basically, we just have to find the weighted average or the weighted beta. Okay, so let me make that small so you can see it. Cool. So we have Palmer, we have Nichols. Palmer, 50,000. That's the amount. And Nichols, 50,000. Okay. Portfolio total is going to be 100,000. So we need to find the percentage. Why can't I spell today? Well, you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, the percentage is going to be, we know it's going to be 50%, but just for shits and giggles, divided by the entire portfolio amount. So the amount invested for the next company or Nichols divided by the entire portfolio amount, right? So to get our weighted average for each investment, we just multiply, or we divide the amount invested in that particular stock by the entire amount of the portfolio. In this case, they are divided evenly, so they're both at 50% each. So now what we want to do is enter our beta. So we're given two betas, unweighted. Palmer is at 1.2% and nickel is at 1%. All right. So now in order to get the weighted beta, we simply multiply the percentage of the investment times the beta that we're given. For Palmer, we're given a weighted beta of 0.6, and for Nichols, we're given a weighted beta of 0.5. So if we sum both of our weighted betas, we're given a portfolio beta overall 1.1. This corresponds with answer choice A.